In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change location in Groupon. We will walk through each click slowly, so you can follow along even if this is your very first time using Groupon on a browser. First, open Chrome and search Groupon. In the address bar at the top of Chrome, type the word Groupon, then press Enter. After a moment, you should see Groupon listed near the top of the search results, usually with the familiar green logo beside it. Go ahead and click the main Groupon result to open the Groupon website in a new page. When the page finishes loading, you should see deals, categories, and a search area near the top of the screen. Once Groupon is open, locate the search bar at the top center of the page. This search bar is where you type what you want to find, like restaurants or massages. It usually has light gray text that says something like Search Groupon. If you do not see it right away, move your eyes to the very top middle area of the Groupon page, just under the logo. The search bar runs horizontally and takes up a good part of that top section, so it stands out compared to the rest of the page. Now, find the location box next to it. It usually shows your current city name or a small location icon. This box is normally on the right side of the main search bar. Inside the box, you might see a city like Chicago, or you might just see the little pin icon. Click inside that location box one time. When you click it, the current location text should become highlighted, and your cursor will appear there, ready for typing. Type in your new city name, state, or zip code slowly so you avoid spelling mistakes. Groupon uses what you type here to filter which local deals you see on the screen, so entering the right city or zip code really matters. Many beginners forget to change this box and wonder why the offers look far away, so double-check the text you just entered before you move on. After you have typed your new location, click Set Current Location. This option appears near or below the location box, usually as a clickable text or small button. Move your mouse to it and click once. When you click Set Current Location, Groupon updates the page to use the new place you entered. You may notice the deals on the page refresh, and now the titles will mention areas close to that new city or zip code. The location box itself should now show the new place, confirming the change worked. You have just changed your Groupon browsing location to a new city or zip code, so every deal you see is now tailored to that area. If this helped you aim Groupon deals at the right place, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple walkthroughs like this.